Hello and welcome to the History Project. Today Pete's going to take you all on an amazing adventure over to Richborough Roman Fort and Amphitheatre near Sandwich to check out English Heritage's new art installation, Cavalry 360.
Whilst George is going to stay here and deliver great historic walking tours. I know which one I'd sooner be doing. See you later, George.
See you later, mate.
So I'm finally in the fort, and my first impressions is just wow. Pretty amazing, hey? That cost you a bit to get repointed, wouldn't it? Them big defensive ditches you saw behind me that I just showed were some of the first ditches dug here when the Romans first arrived. You can imagine trying to attack this place with a large formation of Roman soldiers here with spears and shields or swords and shields, tight formation, and you've got to try and run up and down them slopes and actually get to them, all at the whilst being fired at with bows and arrows. I bet it was a nightmare trying to do that. I might give it a try. Ready? Let's make sure I've got the right view. Yeah, I should do. Right, I'm going to be someone attacking the Romans, right? Hang on, I've got to get there first. Imagine what's underneath this soil. So here she is. I think I'm going to go in first before I take you in. Let's go and have a look, shall we? You can see how it works. It's like little things from a glockenspiel onto wood. That's hollow. Creaking sounds eerie, doesn't it? It's like horses and carts, like the wooden creaking wheels, like they're under tremendous weight. Pretty awesome, isn't it? The wind's getting up now. One of them things that you've really got to come and see for yourself. Let's listen for a bit longer, shall we?